Why should we let you in to BFG?
I have the best item in the world. Look at it.
Bro, ew.
Okay, no, I'm turning this off, dude. What the hell? You really think you can get into camp if you come in here with that?
Do I throw him with the fishes, boss?
No. We're done with that, dude. Just stop.
Man, what the fuck? I was so ready to do.
Yo, am I late? Hello? Can y'all hear? Is my mic?
I'm killing him.
Don't worry, I am here. I will step to the throne and take the crown.
Man, what the fuck? Listen, what you gotta do is...
Hello?
Fuck!
Oh, my bad, dude. Alright, what you gotta do is you gotta market us a product. And yeah, that's did I do it right? Oh, okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I have the perfect idea. Activating overdrive.
Here is my item. I got the
Right, weeb, I made it to the store. Now I just have to bet. The fuck is that?
Yo! What you think you looking at, buddy? Yeah, you're in all territory! Is there something on my back? Nah, shut up! I'll handle this. Listen, if you don't get off our street right now, you're getting killed! And I mean it!
But this isn't your street.
Did you just backtalk us? Oh, that's it! I'm getting angry! Get 'em, boys!
Wait, no! Fuck! How the fuck am I gonna get that fixed? Because it costs so much fucking money. So fucking Seagulls, god damn it.
Yo, you're just gonna like stare at me or do the challenge? What's up?
Oh my god, it's time. Alright, this is my product.
No, I'm not buying that.
Yo, how much does it sell for?
$10,000.
Man, what the fuck?